Good morning, everybody. I wanted to go over something on the math problems with you guys that I posted for the week. Remember, if you are not if you're not through the assignments that I have posted thus far and you're trying to get caught up, don't worry about these problems. These are for kiddos who are finished. So the kiddos did a really great job yesterday with the math problems, the ones who sent those to me. The one thing that I was seeing is something with these 10 frames right here that I wanted to explain to you guys. So the point of a 10 frame is to always complete a full 10 frame before we start another 10 frame. The whole purpose of that is so that way the kids can easily count and spot and know how many it is. So for example, we've been teaching the kids that when they fill up a row of a 10 frame, it's 5. So if I go into my 10 frame here and I use 5 here in my 10 frame, or if I put one in here, let's see if I can do this, there we go. So once I fill up this top row, the kids in our classroom know that that's 5. So in the problem that I gave you, that first problem about gummy bears, it says that Nora loves gummy bears. She ate 6 and gave 7 to Abby. How many gummy bears did she have? So the first thing I would want the kiddos to do is fill in the 6 for Nora. Okay, and now I saw a lot of kids go down here now and use the second 10 frame to put in the ones that she gave to Abby. Now I don't want her to do that. What I want all the kids to do is continue filling in this 10 frame here and then go down into this 10 frame. So here's Nora's 6, and now we want to count Abby's that she gave to Abby. So again, since she gave 7 to Abby, we're going to count 7 and put them in. 1, 2, and your kiddos should be doing this while they're counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I have a full 10 frame here. So the kids in our class know when a 10 frame is full, that makes 10. Okay, and then all they have to do is now count these 10 and 3, especially after that unit that we just did. 10 and 3 is what we have here. They should know that 10 and 3 makes 13. Now, it's okay if your kiddo doesn't know that 10 and 3 makes 13 because they know how to count on. So if they count on, they would say 10 and then they would count these 11, 12, 13. Okay, so you really want to make sure your kiddos are filling up the 10 frame first, the full one, and then adding on however many more they need to that need to continue into the problem. So I gave you guys some new math problems for today. And so make sure when they're doing those 10 frames that they use that practice, okay? Otherwise, the math looked great. The pictures looked great. Number sentences looked awesome. So that's the one thing I want you guys trying to clean up for me today. And see if you can explain that to your kiddo about why we do that, so that way they can visually see the answer a little bit easier without having to count separately. Again, 10 frames are a tool for visual math, and we want them being able to recognize that quickly. All right. Hope you guys have a great day.